All right, guys, let's talk about the four best AI stocks, chip stocks that you need to be looking at, you should be invested in. Now, we're also going to talk about manufacturing. We're also going to talk about memory. So I'm going to give you a couple of bonus stocks in this video. So you need to stay to the end. Lots to share with you. Let's jump into this. My name's Austin. If you haven't already done so, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Please give me some love a little bit if you have not already. I am on Memorial Day holiday down here in Destin, Florida. I live in Dallas, Fort Worth. That's where I'm at right now. So coming at you a little bit from the beach, so to speak. Been playing golf all day. So want to make this video for you guys before I headed out to the beach for the remainder of the holiday. Drop in the comments below. Let me know what you're doing for the Memorial Day holiday here in the United States. Okay, so four brilliant AI chip stocks to capitalize on the artificial AI stock build out. We all know at the end of the day that the chip stocks, Intel, Nvidia, AMD, Broadcom, they're all going to benefit from the massive AI infrastructure build out. Right now, that number is about $700 billion is what it's going to come in for 2026, the AI infrastructure data center build out. That number going to grow to $4 trillion by 2030 and $7 trillion by 2033. AI chips are going to do very, very well. Now, there's more to them, more to the opportunity than just the AI chip stocks, and we want to talk about it. One that you should be in is Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, ticker is TSM. Let me open that for you. Take a look at it. TSM is a massive opportunity on the 1 month up 4%, 1 year up 109%. That may sound like a lot. I mean, hey, Austin, it's already up dramatically. Look, what you need to remember about TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor, is that they manufacture the chips for pretty much every major brand out there. It is a great manufacturing play as it relates to the AI stock space. Okay. Don't forget about it. Taiwan Semiconductor, major opportunity. Micron is the major player in the memory space. Okay. So again, completely different sides of it, right? Taiwan Semiconductor makes the chips themselves. Micron designs and produces the memory chips that go on to the Nvidia, the Intel, the Broadcom, the AMD chips, and so forth. Okay. That's why Micron is a great, great opportunity. 1 month up 54%, 1 year up just about 700%, 5 years, so forth and so on. Since IPO 1984, yeah, 32,000%. That's not a bad day at the office, is it? Okay. So those are your bonus stocks that you should be into. I own them. You should own them. You should be into them. Again, you're not going to lose any money there. Taiwan Semiconductor is the largest chip manufacturer on earth. They control about 80 to 90+% of the chip manufacturing period. They're the guys. All right. So Micron has some competition. SK Hynix, Samsung, so to speak. There is definitely some more competition. But look, revenue growth in the next quarter, 192% growth for the full year. Again, crazy, crazy growth. All right, so continuing to move on. So we've got the designers. So I'm assuming you know this, Nvidia, Broadcom. They actually don't manufacture their chips. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor does it. Nvidia, Broadcom. Nvidia is the 100 million pound gorilla in the space. Brand recognition. Everybody knows who Nvidia is. If you don't own it, you still should own it. Massive amount of opportunity. Remember, $700 billion AI data center build out this year, going to $4 trillion by 2030, $7 trillion by 2033. Nvidia is going to be one of the major beneficiaries of that, as well as Broadcom. Nvidia, let's take a look at their chart. Broadcom, let's take a look at their chart. So here's Nvidia's chart right here. 1 month up 6%. 1 year 62%, so forth. 5 year 1,300+%, and you got Broadcom 1 month down 2%, a little bit flat, right? Opportunity there. 1 year 81%, 5 year 900+%. Since IPO back in 2009, 35,000%. That's crazy. Okay, let's go back to the article here. Continuing to move on. So if you're asking yourself, what should I buy, Austin? Should I buy, for example, Taiwan Semiconductor, or should I buy Nvidia? You have to make a go or no go decision. If it was me, if I was literally poised with the you can only buy one, I would buy TSM. I would buy Taiwan Semiconductor because they are the manufacturer is going to benefit from all of that AI infrastructure data center build out. It's all going to come to them because remember, they control 90% of the chip manufacturing. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. Look at them. If you don't own them, you should, 100%. And yes, I know PE ratios. I know all that. I get it. Okay. But remember, the AI chip manufacturers, who are they? AMD, Nvidia, Intel, Broadcom. There are others, depending upon if you want to talk about agentic or inference AI, all that kind of stuff, major opportunities. But right now, the ones that we talked about are major opportunities. And if you're looking at, hey, what should I invest in? Should I invest in the manufacturing side? Should I invest in the chip side or the memory side? The answer is yes. You should be looking at all of the above because all of the above gives you exposure to a couple of the key sectors. I've talked a lot about nuclear power plant production because a lot of AI data centers are nuclear powered. I did a video yesterday. Links will be at the end of this video somewhere, probably right there, right there. I'm going to get my pink fingers pointing right there. You get my point. Take a look at them. There'll be a video linked at the end of this. The opportunity is investing in the stack. Be looking at every level of the stack. For example, a bonus one that I haven't mentioned so far, Corning. Corning is getting investments from everybody. Just signed a huge deal with Nvidia. You name it. They've got different types of opportunities. They make optical cabling that has glass in it as far as a major component of it, with major increased speed as far as how fast data moves through the cables themselves versus the traditional copper-based cable. So Corning is a 175-year-old company, and they are a massive opportunity. So again, more fuel for the fire. I wanted to give you guys that as a bonus, AI stock video for just staying towards the end. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. Really, before I let you leave, I want to share this with you. Look at these opportunities right here. You see this one. This is Alara right here, Alara Labs. I'll give you an opportunity if you want to pick up this trading indicator software right here. Buy here, and then there's no sell alert. 7 days up 41%. This is my trading indicator that I spent north of $30,000 building. Just made an additional $20,000 investment in it to bring even more new capability. There's some cool stuff coming. So if you want to become a member before that new functionality hits, you can get in at the low price now because I am going to probably raise the price whenever that new functionality builds. $50,000 is what I've invested in this software to try to make it the best trading indicator out there. Links are in the description below if you want to try it, give it a look. There's a 30-day no questions asked money back refund guarantee. There's live coaching every week in the members area. Also, the software costs about $1.10 today to use. If you use that discount code, there's a link down in the description below. Use that discount code right down there, and you'll get it for about $1.10. So 10 cents. So this is another one. D-Wave Computing. Look at this. This thing is running hard. So this is a buy alert right here. This green box, momentum up. That's a buy alert, and we're up in 6 days. 62%. $1,000 invested when that buy alert came in before this massive run out would bring you a profit of $623 in less than 6 days. How much would your life change if you had that profit sitting in your bank account in your profit? And by the way, we've had no sell alert coming in yet. That is a sell alert right there. Momentum down. That's a sell alert. That's a buy alert. You can see right there. Okay. So Alara Labs, I just gave you a few examples. That's a buy alert, sell alert, but buy alert, no sell alert issued yet. So Alara Labs is still running. The software has not signaled that it is the right time to sell Alara Labs or the right time to sell D-Wave Computing. That's just two examples, guys. Links in the description below to go try it out. This is what the smart money uses. This is what the people that are making a ton of money use to buy and sell stocks. Links are down there. All right. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. I'll see you in the next video.